are over 33,000 tire-related crashes every single year. And that means something most people don't want to hear. Tire brands matter, not just for comfort, not just for noise, not just for fuel economy. They matter because the wrong tires can cost you everything. Despite what the smiling salesperson tells you, not all tires are basically the same. Some are engineered to protect you, others are engineered to be cheap, and the difference only shows up when it's already too late. That's why today, I'm revealing the 11 best tire brands in the world. Brands that outperform luxury names. Brands that quietly dominate safety tests. Brands that save you money and protect your life. And at the end, I'll expose 3 popular tire brands you should avoid like your life depends on it. Because it does. Let's start with a company that's making luxury brands look wildly overpriced. Number 11. Falken Racing Technology. On public roads. From day one, Falken was never meant to be average. It was created by Sumitomo as a high-performance experiment, the same way Lexus was created to challenge luxury cars. And just like Lexus, Falken ended up outperforming expectations. The secret is the rubber itself. Falken uses silica-enriched compounds that dramatically improve grip, braking, and durability in both wet and dry conditions. That alone puts it ahead of most mid-tier brands. But then there's the tread design. Their 3D canyon sipes locked together under pressure, which means better snow traction without sacrificing dry handling. That's why these tires perform so well in unpredictable weather. Noise is another problem Falken solved early. Their internal noise-canceling tech reduces cabin hum at highway speeds, something many premium brands still struggle with. And heat. That's where Falken quietly dominates. At high speeds, internal tire friction can boil moisture inside the tire, increasing blowout risk. Falken's heat diffuser technology disperses that buildup before it becomes dangerous. This racing-derived engineering is why Falken is now an OEM supplier for vehicles like the Porsche Macan and Jeep Gladiator. The only catch? They're not cheap, but they are cheaper than some of the brands you should never buy, and we'll get to those later. Next up is an American brand that keeps you safe without strangling your wallet. Number 10. Cooper Affordable Durability Done Right. Cooper became so good at making long-lasting tires that Goodyear bought them outright. And the reason was simple. Cooper tires last. One of their smartest features is the wear square, a visual indicator molded into the tread that tells you, at a glance, how your tires are wearing. It can even expose suspension and alignment issues before they become expensive repairs. Like Falken, Cooper uses high silica rubber, keeping tires flexible in winter and strong in summer. But Cooper's real advantage is longevity. These tires are known to survive 70,000 miles with sidewalls still intact. That's why Cooper shines on trucks and SUVs, vehicles that punish tires daily. They're not flashy, they're not trendy, but they quietly outlast transmissions. And if value matters to you, the next brand is going to surprise you. Number 9. Yokohama, the premium underdog. Yokohama has built a reputation for outperforming luxury brands without charging luxury prices. In multiple customer satisfaction surveys, they've beaten Pirelli, Bridgestone, Continental, and even Michelin in certain categories. But their biggest advantage is something no other brand has perfected: orange oil. It sounds like a gimmick until you understand the chemistry. Orange oil improves the molecular bonding between natural and synthetic rubber, creating a compound that's sticky and durable. That means better grip, better cold weather performance, and slower degradation over time. Other brands experimented with this idea. Yokohama mastered it. This technology came from decades of motorsports development and eventually produced their flagship Advan line. Tires trusted by Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and Porsche. Even Yokohama's budget lines are quiet, fuel-efficient, and long-lasting. You almost always get more than you pay for. But before modern chemistry took over, there was a brand that built its reputation the hard way. Number 8. BFGoodrich, the sidewall kings. Most tire failures don't happen in the tread. They happen in the sidewall, the weakest, thinnest part of the tire. BFGoodrich solved that problem decades ago. Founded in 1870, they became legends by over-engineering the sidewall. Their KO2 line uses bruise-resistant rubber nearly twice as thick as standard tires. This tech comes directly from desert racing, where sidewall failures are instant disasters. Sharp rocks, jagged debris, hard curbs. BFGoodrich tires are built to survive all of it. Their off-road treads are also self-cleaning. ejecting mud and rocks to maintain traction. And their on-road tires deliver strong, wet and dry grip using advanced compounds refined under Michelin ownership. The downside? Their lineup isn't massive. That's where the next brand takes over completely. Number 7. Hankook, the global sleeper giant. Hankook is the world's 6th largest tire manufacturer, and yet most drivers still underestimate it. That's a mistake. In recent tire testing, Hankook outperformed Bridgestone, Continental, and Pirelli in braking, hydroplaning resistance, rolling efficiency, and longevity, especially on EVs. They obsess over quality control and R&D. That's why they're trusted as OEM suppliers for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, Tesla, Hyundai, Kia, Volkswagen, and more. Despite being a premium performer, Hankook tires often cost up to 60% less than Michelin. Most drivers would never feel the difference, but racing fans know the next brand very well. Number 6. Pirelli, the racing genius. Since 2011, Pirelli has been the exclusive tire supplier for Formula One, and that tech flows straight into consumer tires. Their smart polymers actively change behavior based on driving load, cruising, low rolling resistance, cornering hard, increased stiffness and stability. It's why Pirelli tires feel razor sharp. They also pioneered noise-canceling foam and advanced run-flat systems that keep vehicles stable even after pressure loss. The downside? Performance comes at a cost. Some Pirelli models wear out fast, sometimes under 30,000 miles, which is why long-term value matters. Number 5. Bridgestone, the technology tank. Bridgestone tires are expensive until you look at the numbers. Many models come with 80,000-mile tread warranties. Over that lifespan, cheaper tires end up costing more. Their nanotech rubber adapts to driving style, improving grip while reducing heat and rolling resistance. Their run-flat systems are among the best in the industry, allowing controlled driving even with zero air pressure. Bridgestone supplies BMW, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and many more. But imagine Bridgestone quality for less. Number 4. Vredestein, the mechanic's secret favorite. Vredestein doesn't spend on ads. They spend on engineering. Consumer Reports ranked them among the top tire brands for 2026, with nearly every tested model recommended. Their sidewall designs reduce noise while maintaining rigidity, and their tread patterns deliver excellent wet and snow performance. They look good. They ride quietly. They last. Their only weakness is limited variety, which keeps them just shy of the top 3. Number 3. Continental Relentless Innovators. Continental releases more models than almost anyone, and most of them perform exceptionally well. Their Conti-Seal technology can instantly seal punctures up to 5 millimeters while driving. Yellow chili and green chili compounds improve grip while extending tread life. Consumer Reports ranked Continental among the best brands overall for 2026. The downside? Rapid innovation sometimes creates inconsistency. Still, few brands match their breadth, but America has a master of everything. Number 2. Goodyear, the master of all. Goodyear revolutionized tire marketing, racing, and materials science. They reinforced tires with Kevlar, the same material used in bulletproof armor, increasing puncture resistance by up to 35%. They dominate NASCAR. They supply aviation. They build tires for nearly everything that moves. They also own budget brands like Cooper and Douglas, giving them unmatched market control. But even Goodyear bows to one name. Number 1. Michelin, the undisputed champion. Michelin consistently tops safety, performance, and longevity rankings. Their Evergrip technology improves wet traction as the tire wears, the opposite of most brands. High silica compounds and sunflower oil keep rubber pliable for years. It's why 7-year-old Michelins often show zero cracking. The Defender line can reach 80,000 miles while outperforming brand-new budget tires. People leave Michelin for cheaper brands and almost always come back. I trust these tires with my life. And now, the brands you should avoid. Worst. Number 3. Fortune too good to be true. These are Maypops. Cheap rubber, poor wet testing, warranty denials. Drivers report multiple blowouts within a year. You save money until you don't. Worst. Number 2. Accelera, a safety gamble. Terrible wet grip, short lifespan, warranty loopholes. At highway speeds in the rain, these tires turn cars into sleds. They're cheap for a reason. Worst. Number 1. Firestone, an overpriced gamble. From the Ford Explorer rollover scandal to inconsistent manufacturing, Firestone's history is littered with controversy. At their current prices, you're better off elsewhere. Now you know. But even the best tires can't save you from one simple mistake. And if you want to avoid it, you'll want to watch what comes next.